I handle both hardware and software. I tell people exactly in normal language what's going on with their computer. There's no surprises. Normal turnaround times for software issues, if I'm doing virus removals, are right around 4 or 5 hours. Typical in-shop turnaround times are 1 to 2 days. Every one of my customers has a remote button, if you will, on their desktop of their computer. It says connect to the Computer Repair King, so it helps me stay in touch with my customers and give them instant access when they need help right away.
I was able to call him, and he stayed with me in order to remove the Trojan and get my computers up to speed so that I was able to get back to work. He's always available by that little remote button, so I can call him.
I do have a yearly service, a quarterly service, and a monthly service set up where I can automatically go into their computer with their permission, usually once a month. And what I'll do is do a kind of a little mini cleaning. This gentleman is in New Mexico right now, and I'm able to work on his computer, and in about 3 or 4 hours he would have an extremely clean computer.
Ross does an awesome job. One of the things that Ross is really good at is explaining things in a way that anyone can understand. He's got tons of repeat customers. When Ross is done with the computer, they find that it runs better than it did when it was brand new. Ross is really good at working with people with disabilities. Actually, I'm legally blind and my wife is totally blind, and he's worked on all of our equipment, and he understands the needs that we have when it comes to software and making sure that you don't remove the things that make the computer work for us, and he's exceptionally good at that. In addition, working with Ross as a client, he was actually our first client. He was the first person that would give us the opportunity to take care of his needs and not just sit there and say that a person with a disability, how in the world can we run a marketing company?
Please feel free to call the Computer Repair King. My prices are very reasonable, and I do give discounts for senior citizens, police officers, fire employees, military, and medical employees as well.